1. Hello everyone, wish you happy in learning English. Let's review. The present perfect continuous tense. This tense describes an action that began in the past and has continued up to the present. We form this tense with have or has been and the present participle of the main verb. Example: I have been working. We have been working. You have been working. He has been working. In many cases, it can be used interchangeably with the present perfect tense. Example: they have lived here for 5 years, or they have been living here for 5 years. Let's change these present perfect tense verbs from the simple to the continuous form. Mr. Korn has worked in that firm for many years. They have talked for more than an hour. I have traveled all over Europe. Jannik Sinner has slept for more than 10 hours. It has rained all day long. Paula Eganu has studied English for many years. We have used this textbook since January. Corn. Do you know the answer below? Let's go. 1. Mr. Korn has been working in that firm for many years. 2. They have been talking for more than an hour. 3. I have been traveling all over Europe. 4. Jannik Sinner has been sleeping for more than 10 hours. 5. It has been raining all day long. 6. Paula Eganu has been studying English for many years. 7. We have been using this textbook since January. Happy and fun in English.